How are you guys doing today? I don't know about you guys, but man, I'm hungry. So today, I'm going to show you guys how to make some tilapia pasta. It's delicious, only takes about 7 minutes to cook, fills you up, and it's good for you. So let's get started. First, what I'm going to do here is show you what you need. You need a nice little skillet, right like this, a pot, about this size, a good wooden spoon, a good spatula, 2 forks, a knife, a tilapia fillet, a nice packet of butter pasta and sauce, and some butter. First, we're going to start by cooking the tilapia, since the pasta cooks a lot quicker. First, we're going to take it out of the sack and place it upon the skillet. First, you got to put a little bit of butter on the skillet so that it cooks the tilapia evenly. Next, place the tilapia on the skillet after you get some butter spread evenly among the surface. Set your grill temperature for about 75% while you watch the tilapia cook in the skillet. While the tilapia cooks in the skillet, go ahead and put in your pasta and your sauce into your 2½ cups of boiling water. This way, you can synonymously cook both ingredients in this dish. Use your wooden spoon for the pasta and mixing, and the spatula to check up on your fillet every once in a while. Keep making sure your tilapia is not sticking to the pan and wait for it to cook thoroughly.
I'm sorry, dude. No.
After a little bit longer of cooking, you see that on one side, the tilapia is a little bit blackened, which means that it's done on that side, and the white goes through the fish instead of it being clear and cloudy. Meanwhile, the pasta is over here boiling away, the noodles are becoming softer and softer by the second. As soon as the tilapia is ready to go, you shred it on up and put it in the pasta. Shift back in about 30 seconds. After about a minute of cooking, you can see that the tilapia is cooked thoroughly on both sides. You take your spatula and flip it to check both sides before you actually take it out of the pan. You can see closely, you can see in between the fish, there's no more pink, it's a solid white, which tells you that the fish is cooked. Look over here at our pasta now. It's starting to become like a creamier consistency, turning into almost like a soup-like taste. This will become almost a type of cream that you eat with the noodles that is most likely comparable to the sauce. Since the tilapia is done cooking, I'm going to go ahead and take it off the pan and put it on a plate. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add some spices. Right here in this hand, this is some basil. You find this at any grocery store that you go to. I like to sprinkle it in my hand first so I can more accurately disperse it among the fish in the pan. After that, some salt. Add a little bit of flavor. So a lot of people don't like fish without salt on it. Mix it around the pan there. Make sure you get all that flavor all over this fish. One more secret ingredient I might add is an all-purpose Greek seasoning. You find this at any Schnucks that you go to, any grocery store that you might happen to shop at. We bought ours at Walmart. After you mix it up, you get all those bits and pieces, all those spices up in that fish. You just dump it on a paper towel on a plate. Take your 2 forks, and just like this, shred your fish up into little bits. Almost a consistency kind of like this. Not too shredded, but not too coarse. So you can still taste the texture of the fish in the pasta, yet still get the flavor all ingrained in there with the noodles. I'm looking at the noodles right now and they're almost done. As soon as they're done, we're going to go ahead and add the tilapia to the pasta. Show you a few more things and then we'll be done. Now that the sauce is hardened enough at this point, we can go ahead and add the tilapia to our pasta while it's cooking up still. I like to do the stirring method, but you can also take a wooden spoon just like this and go ahead and stir it in like that. More consistency where you can see the fish mixed evenly among all the pasta that's already in the pot. Right now it's looking just about done. You can add a little more basil to the pasta that you have cooked already. That's what I like to do. Gives it a little more Italian feel. Mix it around just like that. Get yourself a bowl. And enjoy yourself some delicious tilapia pasta. Thank you for watching.